So we're using Brookitch Just This Mix all-purpose seasoning, salt-free. So we're gonna make some air-fried wings today. So the chicken has already been washed. Gonna just add a little bit of olive oil. And make sure that the olive oil has coated all the wings so the seasoning can adhere. The seasoning can adhere regardless if you use olive oil. So feel free to pour a lot or pour a little. And I wish the video had smell. Smells so good. Now this is all you need, but if you wanted to, it can pair well with other seasonings. Add a little bit of our homemade jerk, which is coming soon. So if you like the all-purpose, all-in-one seasoning, you're definitely gonna like the other seasonings that is coming soon. So this is how it looks. Inside of my air fryer, I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of olive oil. So we're putting it for 40 minutes, 375 degrees. When it hit halfway, 20 minutes, we are going to flip it over.